Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A51 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the apps, and they should be on the third position from the top. Now let's tap on Advanced and find Special App Access. In this list we have to find the option Install Unknown Apps, which is right here, so let's tap. And as you can see, this is the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case to install some content. Of course we can change it, just find the app, the Chrome in my case, and tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is right now allowed to install some content. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. You can always remove previously granted permissions, just tap on it and tap on the switcher again. And as you can see, the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.